tasers on full charge.
Sorry, there's no way to get up to the raptor pen until the new generator gets unpacked and built. You have to kickstart it with your stun rod. Don't try licking the ends of these things.
I want tasers on full charge.
Oh, come on. Who tore up the cage trap? I tell you, that raptor ain't budging until it gets fixed.
Step away!
Cage ladder's jammed. Somebody punch in the security code again, will ya?
So good luck. I can't figure that panel out at all.
Joffrey, raise the gate!
Velociraptor?
No, not Velociraptor.
Maybe one of the other dig sites has turned up something.
I can feel it. There's a raptor right under here. Yep, I am bang on target. I just, oh, come on. It was there. It was so close.
Velociraptor?
Yeah, it's good shape, too.
I want partial credit for that thing. Basically mine.
Is this thing glued in there? Come on, move! Phew. I'll be extinct by the time I get this thing out. Yeah. A jackhammer? Oh, now we're talking. I promise I'll be careful. That might need some assembly.
One day I forget to bring scissors.
Don't worry. This should help.
Remember, Drs. Sattler and Grant want us to be especially careful when digging up this fossil.
Oh, come on. Who tied this rope? What is it, a reef knot? Maybe it's a bowline?
Oh, sure. Do as I say, not as I do. Next time, I'm just bringing a sandblaster.
Six-inch retractable claw, like a razor, on the middle toe.
Dr. Grant! Dr. Ellie! We're ready to try again.
I hate computers.
Feelings mutual.
I give up. You give it a try. Be careful. That rope's holding up, some, oh, what's it called? Delicate equipment. That's it. It was holding up a bunch of delicate equipment. Oh, sorry.
I found a perfectly preserved Compsognathus thigh!
Really? No. That's mine. I had chicken legs for lunch.
Okay, I figured out what's wrong with it. It should have 2 wheels, not 1, and handlebars. That's why you fell off of it, Dave. No handlebars. Thanks. Yeah, that should stop it from leaning over and going around in circles all the time. That's great. Now it looks like the picture in the instructions.
Shoot the radar into the ground and the bone bounces the image back. Program
What's the fun in that?
That thing looks like a 6-foot turkey.
Yahoo!
Who do you think you are? John Hammond. I own an island. Kind of biological preserve. Really spectacular. Spared no expense. Our attractions will drive kids out of their minds. If I could just persuade you to sign off on the park, I could get back on schedule.
What kind of park is this?
It's right up your alley.
So you two, dig up dinosaurs?
Well.
Try to.
You'll have to get used to Dr. Malcolm. He suffers from a deplorable excess of personality, especially for a mathematician.
Chaotician, actually.